Hello students, how are you all? I know you are very fine. You know, we live in India. People of very different religions live here. Everyone's festivals are different. Everyone celebrates it together. Yes, na? Yes. With our neighbors, with our family members, with our relatives. Yes, na? We have enjoyed this all festivals. Like in our India, one of the festival that is a different. Okay. Today we have study about this festival. Let us see which one is there. Okay. We have studied in this in English subjects. Lesson Unit 2, Lesson number 3, Festival of Flowers. Page number 22. We have started the lesson. Okay. Let us start the lesson. Festival of Flowers. Riya's cousin Manju has come down for a holiday and this is the first time Manju visits a hilly village. Both the cousins wake up and look out of the window. It is a beautiful day. Riya's mother is standing by their bed, smiling. Good morning, sweethearts, says mother. We have a lot to do today. Why she say we have a lot to do today? Because that day is a one festival. Let us see which one is festival there. What is special about today, auntie? Manju asked to her auntie. Today is a full day. Full day means flowers day. Says mother. Full day. What is a full day? Asked the girls. It is the festival of flowers. We celebrate it in our hilly state of Uttarakhand in March. With the full day, we welcome the spring season, says mother. You know spring season? Yes. That day, in that season, they are celebrate a full day. And colorful flowers are perfect for celebrating springs, says Riya happily. Yes, do you know that full day is a harvest festival? Asks mother. What is the harvest festival, auntie? Asks Manju. Manju asked to her auntie, what is the harvest festival in that hilly station? It is a festival that celebrates a good crop, says mother. When the farmers have in their farm a good crops, that time they are celebrate this festival. Farmers plants many seeds. This seed grow into plants which give us food. She explains. Girls feels hungry at the thought of food. Do we eat anything special on full day, Riya asks. You know, in our festival, what we have prepare in food? Yes, Puran Poli, Kheer, that is a Srikhand, Puri, that type we have prepare, na? Yes, that as same that like they prepare a different type of special food in that day. So let us see what is that. Yes, we eat see. It is a sweet dish made of a rice flour and curd. Mother says rice flour means that is a powder of rice. Yeah, we want to eat see. Just both. First come with me to the forest to collect the flowers, says mother. Mother say first come with her and collect the flowers to celebration of that festival. Okay, auntie, says Manju. Mother gives baskets to Riya and Manju. Then they go out of the house. Mother, How do we celebrate the full day? Asks Riya. Little girls go to the forest with the basket. They collect the first flowers of the springs. In their celebration, they are all their girls in their village going to forest and they collect the first flowers of spring. Okay. Then after what they doing, we have see. Okay. What do they do with the flowers? Ask the girls. They decorate the doorstep of their houses with the flowers and rice, says mother. Like in our Diwali vacation, we have make a rangolis. Also, we have decorate a light and what we prepare a sweets different type in our home. Yes, na? Same like they are doing in our their decorated their doorstep of their houses. Then they fill a plate with rice, jaggery, coconut, flowers and leaves. She says. That time the girls come together and they collect the flowers and they visited to the neighborhoods. They wish the people in the houses. In return, they get the present, says mother. Wow, that presents. Do they get? Manju asks. Now I remember I got sweets, money, jaggery and small toys last spring, says Riya. That is such fun. What do we do in the evening? Asks Manju. They enjoying this the festival very much. Like we have enjoyed the Diwali vacation, Holi. That's na? Yes, same like they also enjoying this full day. Okay. Let us see what they are doing. Okay. We visit the friend and relatives. We give sweets and each other, says mother. We also singing song to share the happiness of spring after a long and cold winter, she says. Mother, Riya and Manju reach the forest. Riya gathers many pretty flowers. She puts them in the basket. Soon the basket is full of flowers. Come, mother. Let us go home now and celebrate full day, says Riya. Yes, Riya, let us go. I will prepare seed for us to eat. You can decorate the doorsteps with the flowers, says mother. They walk back home happily. See how they are enjoying their full day. Yes, na? Yes. Do you like to listen? Yes, very much. Thank you. Thank you so very much.